Good morning. Today is September 25th, 2024. And really, this is probably going to be a short video because not much has changed since yesterday. Today we're starting the the fifth day in balance in this range. And you can see that yesterday we had a P-shaped profile. Buyers couldn't make new highs, even though we had an excess to the downside. The point of control was up here at 57.85. So we have a little bit of a bullish imbalance, and my target to repair that imbalance for the session from yesterday is at 58.15. And if you take this 4 days and you merge them together, what you see is that you also have a little bit of an imbalance, and my target for this composite range is at 58.22. Sorry about that. So sorry, hold on. Give me a second. I don't have my screen on Discord. Apologize for that. Okay. There you go. So I was saying that I'm gonna do this again so that you can see what I was talking about. So we're starting the fifth day of balancing in this range. Yesterday's session had a bullish imbalance, and my target is 58.15. And what I was saying is that if we merge these profiles, we have a composite profile, and the imbalance for this whole range is at 58.22. That means that at that point, I consider this range back in balance, so that the current imbalance is repaired. So I'm looking for higher prices. Now, when you're in a range like this and we're in balance, we want to fade the edges. We want to fade the edges of the imbalance. It's probably more probability of a better probability, better chance of it working out if you fade the bottom of the range, because we have this bullish imbalance. So probably better to fade the low end back to the point of control, because we still don't have a nice access to the upside. So I'm still looking for higher prices, but if we fail to hold about these highs, then we're likely going to come back into the point of control. Yesterday's point of control is 57.85, and the composite point of control is at 57.78. And again, nothing much changed from yesterday, so same scenarios. If we get below this previous weekly swing high at the 30s, then I'm expecting a move back to the 5700s. The scenario for NQ is pretty much the same. That the composite target from this range is at 20,310. So I'm looking for that as a target to repair the imbalance. And remember, NQ's been weaker all this time, so we still have way to go until we get all-time highs on NQ. Crude oil has been so it filled the gap yesterday, the RTH gap, and now the point of control, the 20-day point of control, shifted up here, and it looks like it's slowly pushing value higher. So you can see that we're putting a lot of volume here, and value is shifting higher. You can see that the 5-day and the 20-day point of control shifted up here, so we're accepting these higher prices. So this pullback that we're getting now, I'm assuming that it's going to be brought back to this area and then attempt to keep the move going higher. Man, and gold is not stopping. So we had said that we broke about this range, we repaired that imbalance, but now it looks like, so we were establishing a little bit of a range here, but now we're breaking above again. Whoever was shorting the metals is getting squeezed. We have no references up here, so we're gonna keep moving higher until we find sellers, until there's no more interest in higher prices. So pullbacks are viable in my opinion. The first support here is at 26.64. If we lose that, then look for 26.53. That's the 5-day point of control. The 20-day point of control, which is interesting, is still way down here. But if we pull back to either here or here, it's gonna shift pretty quickly. So I'm still not looking for a pullback, but if we pull back, look for this as a target if you start seeing sellers. Let's see, what else do we have? So today we have US home sales at 10 a.m. and crude inventories at 10:30. 5-year note auction at 1 p.m. And then tomorrow we have some more economic data at 8:30 a.m. We have jobless claims, durable goods, GDP, and Friday we have PCE and core PCE. So maybe the market's waiting for those reports to make the next move out of this range. All right, thank you, good luck, enjoy the rest of your day.